So here is the prediction for Libra for 2021. So let us see what 2021 has told in for Libra. Career wise, I see a fantastic year this year for Libras, and especially after the end of this is the end of difficult situation that you have been facing from a very long time, and there were things that those were not getting successful. And I think 2020 has been a year of pandemic also, but this year you can expect a lot in terms of job and business both. And business wise, I see a lot of growth taking place as compared to what it was in 2020. So buckle up, and for job, keep yourself open to all the opportunities and try to be more forgiving and just move ahead in your job terms also. It's okay if somebody has said something harsh to you in your job, if there were rude words that were used, it's okay, just forgive them and move ahead. Work as a team with your teammates and your colleagues, and apart from that, you'll find a great inner strength, a lot of energy this year in terms of the planetary movement that has taken place for Libra zodiac sign for 2021 is wonderful, and it has a lot of energy in it. So if you are planning to switch a job and grab something that uses your potential more, so this is the right time. I would suggest you to switch to a job which can utilize your potential in a right manner. Apart from that, in business terms, a lot of opportunities are about to come, growth opportunities I'm talking about. So keep your eyes open for the growth opportunities and focus on your inner strength. Whatever your inner strength is, whatever your talent is, just believe in yourself and you'll be able to do it. You have a lot of thoughts for your business. I know you have a lot of plans for your business. Now is the time to utilize those thoughts and ideas for business. So this was the reading for 2021 for Libra. Now let us move to the relationship part for Libra zodiac. As I can see, the past has been very cloudy. You have been shuffling in your past and your future. You were not able to enjoy your present moment, though you were getting guidance from every possible person. But then still those clouds of doubts were there in your relationship, and a lot of problems were there in your relationship. But as the year ends and this new year comes, from March onwards, things will be very good in terms of relationship. You will find yourself seeing your relationship more creatively. You need to understand, you need to appreciate your partner. You need to learn and respect the opinion of your partner. So and of course I see growth, a good romantic relationship coming back your way from the month of March. So just wait for March, and eventually your relationship will grow into something bigger and better. So I think 2021 is going to be fantastic in terms of relationship also. It is just that you have to learn to respect the opinion of the other person also. Now let us move ahead to the wealth and the property part for the Libra. Okay, I think overall this year seems to be very good for Libra, because property wise also I see investments taking place, and if you are planning to invest this year, and especially around the north area of India or north side, because I see mountainous area. So if you're planning to invest, then you should go ahead and invest in the property. I'm just talking about the area which I'm able to see through my cards. I see more of mountains. So if you're planning to invest, probably if there is some area around you, or you have something in your mind that you want to invest in that area, you should go ahead, because I see a lot of mountains. And otherwise, property wise, wealth wise, this year is a very fruitful year. You must make long term plans. This year is a year for long term plans, especially for Libra. Okay, after wealth and property, let us see what cards are guiding you for this year. So, this year, the cards are asking you to, do not worry, just live in the moment. This year is going to be very good and very auspicious for you, so need not worry. And a lot of great, you might find a person, I see somebody who's going to enter your life, and he's going to be like a hermit to you, who's going to show you light as in who's going to help you around with your property, with your relationship, with your job. But keep yourself open for that and respect other people's opinion. And if you're planning to, if anyone is planning to study further, for example, you're already working somewhere but you're planning to switch and just study for a little while, so this is the right time if your plans are to study also. Because I see, the education, upliftment of your education taking place this year. So you can upgrade yourself this year in terms of education also. This will help you a lot. And do not worry, I know the past has been very difficult for Libra zodiac, but this year all your prayers are going to be answered. So need not worry. Okay, so this was the prediction for Libra. Now let us quickly move to the next zodiac sign, which is Scorpio. And let us see what 2021 has stored in for Scorpio. I see fantastic cards for Scorpio for 2021. For Scorpio, I see, first let us talk about career wise. And but I see a lot of, I see marriage happening this year for Scorpio. The cards are fantastic, and especially in terms of, cards are more focusing on the relationship part this year. I think this year the Scorpios will be dominated by relationship. The cards are fantastic in terms of relationship. All your hard work. This year is a year for Scorpios. All your hard work, irrespective of whether that was in job or whether that was in business, relationship wise, because there has been a long wait for you people. A long wait. I see a long wait for Scorpions. All your hard work is going to pay off this year. So, but the cards are trying to tell you that you need to, inculcate self-acceptance and learn to be more positive and optimistic towards life. So their focus right now is, because I see cards it's a fantastic card. If I show you, it's Knight of Water, that says that a wedding proposal is on your way, but you need to balance your emotions. All those emotions, because suddenly when you get a lot of things and everything, you're going to get everything this year actually. Whether that's a job or that's a business proposal, right business proposal, or if you were looking for some investment. So everything is going to happen this year. And if you're planning to propose somebody and if you're planning to get married, please go ahead. This is the perfect year for that. Otherwise, I see success in terms of relationship also, and business point of view, and job front also. And apart from that, property, if we talk about property and investment, I would suggest you to take proper guidance. And I see, the cards are fantastic. It's again King of Cups and King of Wand, which says that, you will be very authoritative while you'll be investing. You need to consult somebody. If I have cards of king, that means you need to consult somebody who has been working in this profile or in this profession from a long time, who's an investor or who knows how to manage the wealth, somebody who's into wealth management, or somebody who's into real estate working. So otherwise, for Scorpions, you can make future investment plans also. But I would suggest you first to learn to accept yourself the way you are. Balance your emotions. Be a little more positive. Think positive. Be a little more optimistic. I know the past has been very hard, as I can see. The card is the star. I'll show you the card. It's the star card, which I can see that the past has been very hard on you. But do not worry. Try to be more optimistic from now on. As the card suggests this year that you need to follow, and prosperity will prevail itself. Don't worry about that. It's the time for you to retreat. So treat yourself in a right manner. Appreciate yourself. You are fantastic. You are wonderful. You are the best. Don't worry if the past has given you harsh lessons. Those lessons were meant to be given so that you become what you are today. You are a diamond. Just keep on saying these things to yourself, and this year is going to be fantastic for Scorpio zodiac. So overall, business wise, job wise, relationship wise, whatever you are planning, all your wishes will come true. I see a lot of growth in terms of business. Job, I'm pretty sure very soon you're going to find the new job, and some would have even got a new job also. And property wise, make long-term plans, and please first consult somebody who is an expert in that field. Apart from that, please learn to self-accept yourself, say positive words to yourself, be a little more optimistic, and this year will be very good for you. So this was the prediction for zodiac Scorpio. Next in line is Sagittarius. So let us go ahead and look what exactly 2021 has stored in for zodiac Sagittarius. Okay, so let us talk about Sagittarius. Job or business wise, this year you need to be very careful. You need to have a lot of patience. Sagittarius, whatever decision, patience in terms of whatever decisions you make, especially in investment. I'm talking more about investment point of view, and this is especially for the businessmen. If you're planning to invest your money somewhere, if you're planning to work in partnerships with somebody, so you need to be very careful, because I don't see any successful partnership taking place. Maybe as an individual you can work and simultaneously take help from the other person, or keep on taking the advice from other person, but I would suggest you not to go for partnership, rather do your work individually, and have a lot of patience. Consider in any action that you do, but just before acting, just consider every action that you make, because every decision of yours is going to affect your future. And same thing goes for the people who are looking for job, and who are unemployed right now, or you will get job, there is no doubt about that. You will soon get a job. I think there has been a lot of fear surrounding the money for Sagittarius, especially a lot of problems are be there, but you have that wisdom to accept help from others. So take help from others. Try to speak to the people who have been with you from a very long time, because this year is a year of socializing for Sagittarius. So the more you socialize with people, the more you are going to get a lot of help from people, and this unemployment or uncertainty in your business that has been there from a very long time will go, because this year is a year of socializing. This year is your year to make new relationship, not partnership, but relationship with others for the growth of your work. And same is for the people for Sagittarius in terms of job. So work as a team player. All right, it is very important for you to work as a team player. Keep a lot of patience and ask from others for help. And if you're not getting a job, if you're unable to understand, do not cloud your judgment. Just go and speak to your friend, go and speak to somebody who can help you out with your job. Otherwise, job front, after February, I see a lot of improvement in job and business both. So need not worry about job and business. Just have patience, and carefully, carefully take any decision, and just you should know what you want before you act. All right. Okay, and apart from that, there is one more guidance that I'm getting, especially for the job and the business people, that please listen to your intuition. Your intuition is absolutely right. Just trust yourself. Sagittarius are blessed with good intuitions, so you must listen to your intuition. Okay. Now coming to the relationship front, I see a lot of socializing happening this year. Do not cling to the past. The past is gone, and that is there in terms of relationship also. Do not cling to your past. There's no reason for clinging to your past. Just take it as a lesson. You have made a block around you of that past thing. Just remove that block. Try to come out of it. There is world outside that past. Because I see Sagittarius, just clinging themselves to the past, and they've created this, this defense mechanism around them that, people don't like me, or I don't want to go out and socialize. Go and speak to other people. You'll feel light-hearted. You'll feel yourself, you'll feel less of a burden on your shoulders. This year is a year of celebration and socializing for you. Go out and socialize and be happy. The guidance that I'm getting for this year for Sagittarius is celebration. You must learn to celebrate yourself. You must learn to celebrate life. That is the important thing. Okay. Apart from that, for property and investment, but before I go ahead with property and investment, I foresee marriage happening at your place. At your place, if you're planning to get married, please go and speak to your partner about it. But the marriage engagement, more of engagement, I see engagement happening, a lot of socializing, so there might be some good news around coming your way for Sagittarius, and it's more towards the marriage front. Apart from that, for property and wealth wise, I don't see any good investment happening this year. So I would suggest you to just wait for at least good 8-9 months before you invest. Please think, and especially in the month of August and July and August, please be very careful while you're making any investment, because I see investment going wrong in the month of July and August especially. So be very careful. Apart from that, the message for you this year, the cards are giving, is that you need to emerge as a new person, and learn to celebrate yourself, learn to ease out a little bit, and all these things is going to help you. And do not worry, if there was good time, then there is bad time also, and if there is bad time, then again the good time is going to come. But you must learn to celebrate life. So this was the guidance for Sagittarius. Now let us move ahead to the next zodiac sign, that is Capricorn. Now let us see what 2021 has stored in for Capricorn zodiac. The cards look fantastic for Capricorn for 2021. Now let us see what the cards are trying to say us for job and business front for Capricorn 2021. The cards this year say that a lot of good news is going to come around in terms of financial matters, and if you're planning to study further, so this is the right time. You must go ahead. This year is a year for you to upgrade yourself in terms of education also. And apart from that, in business point of view, there has been a long stretched wait for you. So do not wait, do not worry. So it is time for you to buckle down and get things done. So this is the right time. So honor your commitments, whatever commitments you have given in the past. This is the right time to complete all those commitments. Your loyalty, your dedication, and you being very kind is all going to pay off. Do not worry. I see a little bit of traveling happening this year, so kindly be very careful because of the pandemic, because keep a check on your health also simultaneously. And you need to keep a lot of patience as well. There are challenges coming your way in your job and your business front both. Though all your work will be done without any problem or without any break, but still please be prepared for all the challenges that are coming your way. Though Capricorns are already aware of their luck, they know that no work can be done without challenges, and they love challenges as well. So hard work, of course, like I can see, for Capricorns that hard work is the key to success for them. So just keep on doing the right hard work the way you are doing it, and you will get all your commitments done this year. So career, job wise, business wise, this year is fantastic for Capricorns. Now let us see for the relationship front. Okay, relationship wise, I see a lot of problems that have been there in past. But my suggestion to you for this year, relationship wise, yes, of course, this year there will be a lot of improvement. You will emerge as a person yourself also, but you need to realize when you have to say what. The only problem that I see with Capricorn is that you don't realize that in this situation I'm supposed to say this thing. So be very careful with your words, because your words might hurt somebody. So because of that, the relationship, the problems are coming in relationship. Listen to your inner voice, because sometimes you have something else in your heart. The thought is very positive in your heart, but what comes out of mouth is not very positive. Those are the hurtful words, and the person right in front of you get hurt as well. So just listen to your heart. What is there in your heart? Speak your heart out. Your partner will also feel good in that ways if you speak your real heart out. So for relationship, this year is going to be like, this year is going to be very good, but you have to speak your heart out, and you must not say the words which might hurt the other person. Otherwise, relationship wise also, this year is fantastic for Capricorns. Now let us move ahead and see what is stored in for property and wealth wise for Capricorn. In terms of investment, I would suggest you to wait a little bit, and especially be careful in the month of September. Health wise also I'm talking about. I see a lot of, in financial matters, I see if you're going for a very heavy investment in terms of property and or wealth management. So I would suggest you to just hold a little bit and speak to the expert first. Wherever you're investing, first speak to the expert, and then only invest. Okay. So this was the reading for Capricorn for wealth. Now let us move ahead to the guidance. Let us see what guidance cards are giving to Capricorn for 2021. The cards are saying that it's a year of blessing for you. Don't worry. Just manifest everything in the right way and right manner. Whatever you'll manifest will come true. Just manifest it with a positive thought, with a positive positive gratitude, just positive outlook. Just manifest it in a right way. All right, all your wishes will come true this year. Do not worry. And apart from that, anything, just remember one thing. Not everything lasts. So you don't have to worry. If there was good time, then there is a bad time also. The same guidance that I gave to the previous zodiac sign. If there is good time, then there is bad time, and if there is bad time, the good time is for sure going to come. So take the lesson which is important and just move ahead. Alright, so this is the guidance for Capricorn. Now let us move to the next zodiac sign, that is Aquarius. Okay, now let us see what cards are telling for Aquarius for 2021. Okay, career and job wise, I see a lot of progress for Aquarius. Do not worry, all your, there's a lot of opportunities are about to come your way. If there was a long gap in your job or your business, do not worry. This was just a phase and it is over, so need not worry, but you need to be open for the opportunities coming your way. Just do not keep on thinking that how am I going to do this work. This is the time that you adapt something new. It's the time for to move in the new direction. Just remove all the negativity. I see a lot of negativity around you. Negativity in terms of your own thoughts. You have been clinging a lot to your past in terms of your relationship also. So stop clinging to past. It is important to remove that negativity and look for the opportunities that are coming up in 2021. Whatever happened in past is all your past. So just look for a good future now. Your present is soon going to be very good. And talking about the job front, I see job and business both. I see a little bit of traveling, which needs immediate attention of yours. And remember, for you, the time is essence. So it's very essential to utilize your time in the right manner. So utilize your time in the right manner. Think things through carefully. Just carefully think before you act. Remember, don't be restless. This year will be adventurous for you. This year is going to be very passionate for you. And for your job and for your business front, this year will be completely passionate for you. So whatever you do it in a very professional manner, because this year is a year of risk taking also. You will take a lot of risk in your job also. So be professional, be responsible, and be very practical in your approach. Because when you are passionate, when you are adventurous, you tend to lose your practicality. So do not lose your practicality. Keep logic in whatever you do, whether that's a new business opportunity or whether it's your job. So just think before you act. Alright, now let us look for what cards have stored in for you in terms of your relationship. The cards are saying you to come out of your thoughts. Like I said, a lot of negativity has been there in terms of your relationship also. I see breakup also happening, a lot of pain inside you. So whatever that, from wherever that pain is coming, it is all your past. Just let it go and work on healing yourself this year, because I see good intentions coming your way. Good, you might meet good people this year. So just try to work on yourself this year. This year is a year to remove all the negativity that's told that that no more helps. This negativity does not help you anywhere. So this year is a year of healing. I see a lot of healing happening. If by any chance you are unable to understand what exactly is healing all about, you can email me, or you can go and check out my website. You can learn any healing course. You can learn the gratitude courses that we are teaching. This will help you a lot to cope up, and just focus on yourself this year. Just focus on you as an individual. So relationship, okay, you might attach with somebody, but first you need to know yourself first. So heal yourself. So this year is all about healing yourself. Okay, now coming to the property or investment front, by the time the month of October will come, I see a lot of settlement in your life in terms of the job front, business, job, or relationship, or with the family. I see this year as a year of family for you. So focus a little bit on your family. Speak to your family, your parents, or whosoever is your close or your loved one. Please speak to them. Apart from them, for property and wealth. Initial 3 months, I don't see any investment happening or anything, so I would not suggest you to invest anywhere for 3 months. After that, you should speak to somebody, and then you can go for long-term plans. So this was the reading for Aquarius. Now let us see what cards are guiding you. Like I said, the cards are guiding you to actually, this year is a year of friendship, bond of friendship, family, and the right intention. This year is a year of healing and removing all the negativity around you. And by removing negativity, I mean removing all the negative people around you and all the negative thoughts that you have inside you. So remove all that brings negativity around you or in you. So let us start from inside first and then come to outside. So if by any chance, like I said, if you need my help, I'm always there to help you with healing and making you understand. If you want any elaborate reading for yourself, you can always DM me on Instagram also, or you can email me. Everything is there in the description box below. So this year is a year for you to heal yourself. So this was the reading for Aquarius. Now let us move to the last zodiac sign, which is Pisces. So let us see what cards are telling for Pisces for 2021. Okay. I see a lot of fear surrounding money for Pisces, but you need to have that wisdom to accept help from others. If you are, if you're burdened with loan on your head, so I would suggest you to please ask for help from others. And because I see a lot of uncertain self-employment has been there, and because of the pandemic there has been a lot of financial loss to a lot of people. So if by any chance, if there is any burden on your head also for loans or anything related to finance, I would suggest you to please ask for help from others. Do not hesitate, do not think that it is going to hurt your ego. Just do not take it otherwise. Just try to ask for help. Sometimes wisdom comes when you ask for help from others, and probably if you might ask for help from others, they might offer you a good job, or they might have some good business idea or something that the God has arranged for you. So do not fear that, do not develop that fear, rather ask for help from others. And apart from that, as the year will move ahead, I see a lot of improvement in terms of your job and business front, but it will be a very slow progress. The year is a little slow for you, but yes, the progress is going to take place. Don't worry about that. The progress is for sure going to happen. But for that, first of all, you need to develop relationship with other people, because I see as soon as you develop good relationship with other people, on your work front or on your job front, both business and job, I see a lot of progress taking place. Because sometimes, it is important to speak your mind out and trust your intuition also. Okay, trust your intuition. Whatever your intuition is saying, just trust your intuition. You're a very tender heart and empathetic person. Just keep the way you have been keeping a lot of patience. Just keep a little more patience. Do not keep on fighting with your own thoughts, because I see a lot of fight going on inside you yourself. You have been fighting a lot with your own thoughts, and this is happening same in your relationship also. You haven't been able to speak your mind out, because of which you have been fighting your own self, and that irritation and agitation is causing problem in your relationship also. Though I see in relationship front also there's a slow progress, but yes, of course, your relationship is going to improve as the year will move ahead. But first of all, you need to work on yourself. You need to speak your mind out. You need to tell what you are thinking, so that the other person can help you. Might be possible that you think that thing A is good for you, and probably when you speak to some other person, you might get to know that the thing B is the actually right thing for you. So what I'm trying to say here is that you need to speak your heart out, speak to somebody, tell your problems, so that they can help you. Alright? In relationship front also, the progress is going to take place. Do not worry, just it's a slow progress. Okay, in property and money point of view, I would not suggest you to invest this year. Rather, do a little more saving, and just focus on your job, your business. Don't worry. Maybe next year you might be able to invest in property also, or other investments. But this year is not a year for you for investment in property or any long-term investment. Just save your money this year. Okay, now let us see what guidance the cards are giving you for this 2021 for Pisces. The main guidance that cards are giving you, that this year is a little slow progress, but it is very important to learn to be free of your own thoughts. Being free from the cage that you have created for yourself, and cards are saying to involve a little bit romance in your life, because I see romance in the cards. So I would suggest you to spend a little bit spend good time with your partner, good time with your family, and involve a little bit of romance in your life. If you have a partner already, I would suggest you to just speak to your partner, communicate to your partner, and the things might go in a right manner. A lot of romance has been missing from your relationship, and there's very ordinariness in your relationship. So I would suggest you to spend a good quality time with your partner and with your family, and just free yourself from your own thoughts, the cage that you have created around yourself. Make yourself free from that. So this is the guidance and prediction for Pisces for 2021. I hope that the predictions that I have done for 2021 for all the zodiac signs will help you, will guide you, and will actually keep you in the right place. So before I sign off, I would like to wish all my viewers, all my the supporters who have been watching my YouTube channel, all my subscribers, a very happy new year, and may this new year bring a lot of blessings, prosperity, all the right intentions for you. And apart from that, you can even use this tortoise. This is a tortoise, and this is basically green aventurine tortoise, but as per your zodiac sign, you can keep this at your home. This tortoise, this crystal tortoise helps to bring a lot of longevity in your relationship, work, wherever you keep it. Wherever you keep it, it helps you and brings a lot of prosperity. And this is an overall stone, not just in terms of prosperity. You need longevity in your relationship, your career, your job, and everything. And it helps you also, and it guides you as well. That is why I also keep this tortoise and all. So if that is possible for you, please look for this. You can check it out on my website also, because I'm also selling these tortoise, because this is a symbol of longevity. So I really believe in this thing, and moreover I'm already dealing in this. So you can DM me on Instagram for the price of this tortoise, and you can email me, or you can go and check out my website also. Now before I sign off, to all my subscribers, have a fantastic new year. May God bless you. Thank you.